Alright, guys, we're in. We're in the pig's fortress. Anyway, we gotta search for King Pig. He might be showing up any sooner. Okay, guys, so here's the plan. What about me? Do I actually do stuff? No way, man. That's just weird. Anyway, you gotta actually do it yourself. So we don't have a cannibal anymore, which is the thing we fly. So anyway, we don't use that anymore, but I think that's kind of getting old. But anyway, we just use basic attacks. So anyway, Chuck, you run super fast. Blues, you multiply, and bomb, you explode. And Whitebird, you do whatever you do. Just lay on your eggs and explode them. And I actually go the ultimate speed. But anyway, let's get out there and attack. Those birds! How do they get here? Urgh. Curse those birds. They get always hear what they always wanted. Well, I told you, your plan was a simple sap. Well, I should have made of a better idea than this. Great. What the heck do you birds want? We want you to stay out of your. We want you to stay away from our eggs. I say no. We are not going to stay away from your eggs until we defeat you until your deaths. Come down right here anyway. Fine, we will. Come on, pigs, shall we? So what do you pigs want? We want the eggs. We want the eggs. So if you don't give us the eggs, we're going to fight you and we're going to actually kidnap your eggs and we're going to steal them and we're going to eat them for breakfast. No way, that's not happening. Yeah, move! Get him, pigs! Yeah! Get that gun! Ugh. Ow! Kaboom! Here, you guys get the gun. Get the gun, you fools! Kaboom! Take that. Get him! Ooh. There's no way you're not getting away with this. Good. Darn, I missed. Well, take this. There is no way turning back, Red, so I suggest you die. Ha! Ah! That's it. Fashion fight. Oh, this is gonna get good, King Pig. You know what I'm up for? A knuckle pain of defeat. Yeah, come on. Ugh. Ah. Curse you. Well, curse you back. There is no helping this, Red. I suggest you die, and I suggest I will get the eggs sooner enough. Never. Ugh. Oh, my crotch. Ah. Time to finish you off. Wait, what are you doing? This. Ah. You may have won this time, but you won't see Big Bird again. Help me, Red. It's your chance. Good luck saving Big Bird anyway, but it's your option. Saving Big Bird or risking your life? I suggest risk my life. There, you have a trap. Ah! Alright, I finally got you. I'm gonna kidnap you, and I'm gonna get those eggs. Ha 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 ha. And there's no running back and turning back from you. And I'm gonna take those eggs once and for all. Pigs, take them as the prisoners. Yes, sir.